5 wigs, 5 minutes, all mid-length to longer styles, 5 different colors. We better get started. Welcome back to my series, You Asked For It, and that is exactly what this series is. First of all, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I have a little series I call You Asked For It, and it is all about questions I get from you. And you seem to love these little short videos where I show you a few wigs in just a few minutes. So today it's 5 wigs in 5 minutes. Again, if you're new and you haven't seen this before, I've already reviewed all of these wigs. So this is not a wig review. So I'm not going into cap construction, color, anything like that. This is a very quick overview of these wigs. Now the 5 minutes doesn't start until I start showing the wigs, and sometimes I might go a little over because, you know, I'm a little chatty, but I try to keep it to 5 minutes. Now if you want to see details of any of these wigs, just go in my channel, type in the search bar the name of the wig. The full review will come up that has all of those things: indoor and outdoor lighting, discussion of cap and fit, permatease, all the things. This is not that. So if you're looking for a full wig review, you might want to go ahead and swipe off. This is just fun. This is fast. We get a quick look at a wig, something you might not have seen, something you might want to explore more. So that is what the point of this is. You asked for it, and I'm always getting requests for low density wigs that are mid-length to a little longer, so I thought that'd be a good thing for us to look at today. So let's get started and look at 5 wigs in 5 minutes. I wanted to show you a variety of styles and colors today, so we're going to start it off with one of my all-time favorites. You've seen it a million times, and you're probably going to see it a million more. Y'all have had this wig for so long. I even have a video, I think, where I showed you where I applied heat to this wig. I let it go a little longer than I normally do because I wanted to make a video of how to apply heat to heat-friendly fibers. This is Beltress Calabasas Milkshake Blonde Rooted. One of my favorite colors. I think this color is so wearable. And look at this. It's beautiful. It's a little longer than mid-length, like we said. Has a lot of movement. This is just one that works. I love the low density of this. It has an extended lace front. It is gorgeous. Check out Calabasas. This is another beautiful, look at the length of this. It's perfect. This color is so pretty. This is Chelsea. Mocha, maple, brown. This color is, look at the highlights in this color, y'all. This is one easy to wear, very similar to what we just looked at, right? Calabasas. And as we know, Beltress has a lot of wigs that do look very similar, and this is one of them. I like them. I think these are sister styles. This color is so rich and beautiful. One of my favorite brunettes. I just think they did such a beautiful job with the layering. It has this longer bang. It's a winner. This is a wig that took me a little by surprise. I didn't think I would like it as much as I have, and I'll tell you why I have liked it. This is Polo Cappuccino Latte R. Now, this is longer. Like we said, we're talking about a little longer style. I love the waves of this. It's part of the Luxe collection, so of course it has all the bells and whistles, hand-tied cap, all of that. I have worn this so many times already in an updo. I have worn it in a clip, I've worn it in a ponytail, I've worn it in a half up and half down. You know, if you are wanting some things you can wear up off your neck this summer, get a little more wear out on them, I like these longer styles for that. So don't pass up some. If you find a good buy on one somewhere and you think, oh, that might be too long, give it a try. Use it for updos, use it for ponytails, and then you can wear it longer in the fall. I think this is something you might enjoy. This is one, oh y'all, look at the waves of this wig. I think they are so beautiful. This has such a perfect wave pattern. I feel like this feels like a healthy head of hair. This is part of the Luxe collection as well. This is Esty in chocolate buttercream, this color. I love the highlighting around the face. Now I know that's not for everyone, and that's fine. There's something for everyone, but I personally think on this color, it needed it. It just lightens your face up around the front. So I think they did a really nice job by putting that highlighting right around the face of this one. All this movement, like I said, this just looks like a healthy head of beautiful hair. Oh, gorgeous. This wig I just got this past week. I've already done a review on it. All-time favorite for so many people. This is the Caliente E, and the color is Brown Sugar Sweet Cream. Now, you know Beltress made some of these wigs in this E collection, they're calling it, where they have the extended lace front and the fibers of the Luxe collection. Oh my goodness, it's a world of difference for sure. I've always loved Caliente, but now with the upgrade, it's perfection. There are several of these wigs in this E collection. Check them out. They're still open wefted. Like I said, I have a full review of it. It's still open wefted, but it has the extended lace front now and these beautiful, gorgeous fibers. Okay guys, that's what I got. 5 wigs. I hope I kept it around 5 minutes. I hope you enjoyed this. Leave me some messages. What did you think of these? Have you tried any of these? What were your favorite colors? What would you like to see on these upcoming series? Are there more of these types of videos you'd like? Let's talk about it. Thank you for joining me today. I'll see you soon.